The digital transformation of manufacturing is underway. Increased connectivity and autonomous technologies are improving efficiencies in manufacturing, improving business agility, and enabling more customized production. To keep pace and stay competitive, your operations must transform as well. Digital twins, machine learning, portable devices, additive manufacturing, artificial intelligence are all advances reshaping the manufacturing world. To adapt, you must remodel your business, transform your operational technologies or OT, and identify key technology partners to ensure the safety and security of your business. Increased connectivity brings new risks, so core security principles must also evolve. The threat landscape has altered significantly, so defense in depth must add new layers of protection where needed. The scope of secure software development lifecycle must now include security design reviews, software IP protection, dynamic security monitoring, and dark web tracking. Security of OT devices at the edge must adapt to increased connectivity and multi-vendor solutions, applying industry-best cybersecurity practices across broader connectivity not envisioned in earlier manufacturing security models. Edge devices, software, and data must be self-secure. Irdeto's Cloakware software protection should be a core part of your security strategy, protecting critical software and data from reverse engineering attacks that threaten your IP or the device's functionality and utility. Even if an attacker gains privileged access, Cloakware protection remains embedded in the software, dynamically detecting hacker activities like rooting, hooking, debugger analysis, and memory scraping. Irdeto's Cloakware security services were created to enable quick and effective security, particularly on edge devices where the risk of compromise is greatest. Starting with the world's best code protection technology, Irdeto's Cloakware security services flexibly work with the business model of our customers to maintain safety and security at the edge. Your business runs on software. Protect it.